Hello bearded bee people, welcome back to B&K Bees. It's probably been about a month since I've come out with a video, and the reason for that is, first of all, it's just repetitive in terms of bee stuff every day. I'm just lugging out syrup buckets to all these hives, filling up Hillbilly hive top feeders as you see here, which is just a baking pan up above the inner cover surrounded by an empty box. And it works really, really well, and it kind of allows for me to not have to have extra pieces of equipment other than those aluminum baking pans, which are super cheap at the dollar store. So yeah, that's all I've been doing, and you know, this is kind of the time of year where my other profession kicks back in, and that is being a web developer. So I'm trying to get the feeding done quickly during the day so that I can get back to my computer stuff, and so for that reason I haven't come out with any videos. But like I said, I've just been making sure that these colonies get super heavy. My goal is 80 pounds for a single, or more than 100, or 100 or more for a double. And I think today's the last day for that. Today's the last day that I'll be lugging out syrup. It's probably 10 days later than I would have liked, but I've reached my goal. All my hives are heavy enough, and I'm happy as heck about that. And we're going to go into winter with around 200 colonies, which was the goal, so I'm happy. I'm ready to not have to mix sugar syrup anymore. I'm ready to go up north. We're going to Marquette, Michigan, as we do every year after the bee year, in a week, and I'm super excited about that. Maybe I'll do a video up there because it is just freaking beautiful. I love it, love it, love it up there. So, yeah, like I said, I'm a web developer. If any of you guys need a website for selling bee stuff or any other thing, if you got a small business or a hobby or something that you want to advertise or sell on the internet, hit me up, because I live in Michigan, so I won't be doing bee stuff for another 5 or so months. And during that time period, I'm going to be making websites and web apps and mobile apps and whatever it is that my clients come to me requesting. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any projects that you'd like to get taken care of or have me take care of. And then also, I don't know how I'm going to have the ability to come out with bee videos throughout the winter. I do plan on doing some videos as I'm checking out yards, and maybe when I'm, you know, ordering and preparing equipment for next year and all that kind of stuff. But if you guys do want more Brett Cosma material throughout the winter, subscribe to my astrophotography/science channel. It's called B&K Science and Astronomy. So I do videos on the various astronomical objects that I take pictures of, and I talk about cool science stuff. And so you get your Brett Cosma fill over there while you're waiting for April for the bee videos to resume once again. So I am going to put these tunes back on, get to the feeding of these bees for the last time this year. And like I said, I'm pretty happy about that. I'm never happy to see the bee year go, but I'm happy to not have to worry about, am I going to be able to get these bees up to weight, and I'm happy to not have to carry around 5-gallon buckets any longer. So thank you very much for watching. Like I said, join me over there on B&K Science and Astronomy, and hit me up if you need a website, a web app, or a mobile application, and I'll be happy as heck to chat with you guys about that. But either way, like I said, thank you very much for watching. Get out there and have some fun with your bees before the snow starts flying. See ya.